Today's video feature is why would I pay a lawyer $3,500 to $4,500 when the fine in a DUI case is only about $1,000? This was a question posed to me this week by a very inquisitive client. He said he'd asked 3 different lawyers why they should fight the case, and all they heard was, well, that's in your best interest, but they never could answer the simple monetary question. So I said, well, I'll be happy to answer that, and we'll compare apples to apples, dollars to dollars. So absolutely, in the comparison between a $3,500 to $4,500 fee versus a $1,000 fine, that makes no sense whatsoever. But then I asked him, I said, well, now how old are you? And he said, I'm 35 years old. So I said, well, unless the autonomous cars take over, you should have about 35, maybe 40 more years of driving and paying auto liability insurance premiums. And if you have a DUI conviction, none of the insurance companies that you've heard of will want to insure you. And there are so many insurance companies that you've never heard of that will insure you, but at very high rates. So if you fight the DUI case, you may or may not win, but you certainly have a better chance if you do fight than if you do not. So there's no guarantee that you will win your case and pay reasonable insurance premiums in the future, but if you just pay the fine, there's an absolute guarantee that you will have a DUI conviction on your record for the rest of your driving life, and you will pay dearly every single year after this. So that made sense to him, and he became a client, and we're honored to have him. But that is a very intelligent question that so few lawyers can answer. I hope this answer makes sense to you.